If you recently purchased a brand new FMX remote, please follow these steps. First, let's identify the on and off positions on the ignition. Press the start button 2 times to get to the on position. Your dashboard should light up when you do this. Then hit the push to start button once on your vehicle to access the off position. While keeping your foot off the brake, press the push to start button on your vehicle twice for on and once for off, 5 times within 10 seconds to enter remote programming mode. Leave it in the on position. If the LED on the antenna lights up, please tap the lock button once on your remote controller. The LED on the antenna should turn green to confirm the remote has been programmed. You can also confirm by pressing any command. If the LED on the antenna doesn't light up after the key cycling procedure, press the button on the FMX antenna. Quickly tap the lock button on the remote 4 to 5 times until the LED on the antenna turns green. Now verify that your remote has been programmed to your vehicle. Thanks for watching this video.